2023 subject English थाममार्चाव जानाय objective type एबा very short question answer नि correct option नि फिननायखौ आपलोड खालामनानै होनाय जादों। Section A 1 number choose correct options for the following. 1 number a flag of locust would have left more than this. What does the underlined word mean? Option number A herd of animals. Option number B a swarm of bees. Option number C a flock of birds. Option number D a swarm of insects. The correct option is D a swarm of insects. 2 number the postmaster, a fat amiable fellow, also broke out laughing. Choose from below the word that is same in meaning as amiable meaning. Option number A huge. Option number B friendly. Option number C zealous. Option number G angry. The correct option is B friendly. 3 number a party is a political system that separates people according to their. Option number A religion. Option number B language. Option number C race. Option number G gender. The correct option is C race. 4 number in life every man has twin obligation. What is another word for obligation? Option number A duty. Option number B hobbies. Option number C will. Option number G livelihood. The correct option is A duty. 5 number between Mysore and the coastal town of sits a piece of heaven. Option number A Travancore. Option number B Mangalore. Option number G Cuddalore. Option number B Bangalore. The correct option is B Mangalore. 6 number lend show hope for help from. Option number A neighbors. Option number B sons. Option number C God. Option number G with. The correct option is C God. 7 number has the largest concentration of tea plantations in the world. Option number A Darjeeling. Option number D Tamil Nadu. Option number C Assam. Option number D Kerala. The correct option is C Assam. 8 number tea was first drunk in. Option number A China. Option number B Japan. Option number C England. Option number D India. The correct option is A China. 9 number despite having a strong desire, what did Bali resist in their field to save for the basket? Option number A merry-go-round. Option number B ribbons. Option number C snakes. Option number G lollipops. The correct option is A merry-go-round. 10 number for Bali the most fascinating things to watch was. Option number A cow grazing in the field. Option number B children playing in the street. Option number C the bus that travel between her village and the nearest town. Option number D the bulb cars on the village street. The correct answer is option number C the bus that travel between her village and the nearest town. Question number 2 choose the answer. Question number 2 choose the correct answer of the following. 1 number the Kokrajhar tiger is looking in. Option number A stable. Option number B the cage. Option number C the zoo. Option number G the night street. The correct answer is B. Question number 2 choose the correct answer of the following. 1 number the Kokrajhar tiger is looking in. Option number A stable. Option number B the cage. Option number C the zoo. Option number G the night street. The correct option is B the cage. 2 number chocolate was harmful for Amanda's. Option number A nails. Option number B hair. Option number C acne. Option number G tummy. The correct option is C acne. 3 number the word rigid means. Option number A flux. Option number B soap. Option number C hard. Option number G dry. The correct option is C hard. 4 number custard was the name of. Option number A dragon. Option number B dog. Option number C cat. Option number D biscuit. The correct option is A dragon. 5 number the word as mentioned in the ball poem is one of. Option number A balls. Option number B prince. Option number C pan. Option number G positions. The correct option is G positions. 6 number Griffin was A. Option number A teacher. Option number B scientist. Option number C driver. Option number G trader. The correct option is B scientist. 7 number the speaker in the cab driver was sent to a town miles away in the country. Option number A 20. Option number B 30. Option number C 40. Option number G 50. The correct option is C 40. Max was like A according to the author of the Midnight Visitor. Option number A deer. Option number B hyena. Option number C owl. Option number G fox. The correct option is G fox. Option number 9 Mandela's country is rich in. Option number A forests and lakes. Option number B agriculture. Option number C gems and minerals. Option number G hills and rivers. The correct option is C gems and minerals. 10 the main crop of coffee is. Option number A rice. Option number B coffee. Option number C tea. Option number G peanut. The correct option is B coffee. Write the short answer to the following question. 4 number fill in the blanks with correct prepositions in part A and with correct determinants in part B. Part A 1 number put the cup on the dish. Option number A add. Option number B in. Option number C on. Option number G over. The correct option is C on. 2 number the cows are in the field. Option number A in. Option number B 2. Option number C on. Option number G by. The correct option is A in. 3 number Lila lives with her parents. Option number A by. Option number B with. Option number C upon. Option number G at. Correct option is B with. 4 number he is fond of reading novels. Option number A at. Option number B in. Option number C of. Option number G for. The correct option is C of. Option number 5 this shop deals in stationery. Option number A and. Option number B in. Option number C with. Option number D about. The correct option is B in. Part B. Question number 6. My friend is an MA in English. Option number A, option number B, and option number C, the option number D, that. The correct option is B, N. 7 number. The book you have mentioned is out of print. Option number A, option number B, the option number C, many, option number D, some. The correct option is B, the. 8 number. Kindness is a great virtue. Option number A, the option number B, must, option number C, then option number G, A. The correct option is G, A. 9 number. The Taj Mahal is one of the wonders of the world. Option number A, the option number B, this, option number C, that, option number G, A. The correct option is A, the. 10 number. Is there any sugar in the food? Option number A, little, option number B, few, option number C, any, option number G, much. The correct option is C, any. Question number 5. Answer the following questions as directed. 1 number. Whom did you call? Thanks into PC. The PC form is who was called by you. Question number 2. The glass was not broken by the boy. Thanks into active. In active form, the boy did not break the glass. 3 number. Shillong is colder than Shimla. Rewrite in positive degree. In positive degree, Shimla is not cold. 3 number. Shillong is colder than Shimla. Rewrite in positive degree. In positive degree, Shimla is not as cold as Shillong. 4 number. He said, I can do it. Thanks into indirect. He said that he could do that. Number 5. Rina asked him politely not to go home then. Thanks into direct. Rina said to him, sir, do not go home now.